Dash cam? Pfft. Who needs a dash cam? Did you see that? Yeah, I believe I have your attention. This is the Aukey DRA1 1080p dash cam. What's up, handsome people? If you're like me and you have a limited income, but you love expensive gadgets, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we focus on getting the best gadgets for the least amount of cash. So if you're new here,
subscribe now.
And hey, don't be shy. Feel free to check out the links in the description below anytime during the video. Oh, and on a side note, if anybody likes free stuff, which I sure do, I'm having a New Year's giveaway that's currently underway until January 12th. So check it out, eh? Thank you to Aukey for sending me this product. I love being a part of Aukey's Team Techie because I get more and more opportunities to test and review cool products to share with the handsome nation. So if you like what you see, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and keep your eyes peeled for more products to come. Now back to the review. The footage shown in the intro actually happened to me. No! And it scared the you-know-what out of me. I was just minding my own business and I did nothing wrong. But someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed and I happened to be in their way. That night changed me. And I was no longer going to own a vehicle without having a dash cam recording the craziness that the open road brings. So if you would like to see the full event, let me know down in the comments below. But for now, let's check out this Aukey cam. So you can pick this up from Amazon for about 45 bucks at the time of this recording. But currently there's a $5 coupon to bring it down to $40. That's a steal if it performs as I think it will. All right, so let's see what's in the box. The camera. Let's take it out of there. There we go. Let's see, what else do we have in here? So this is the permanent mount with the 3M adhesive. Another mount that it comes with is this suction cup. See, the thing about the suction cup is it's probably for people that are going to use it from vehicle to vehicle, but we'll be mounting ours using the permanent 3M adhesive. What else is in here? So we got the car charger. Of course, this goes into what used to be the cigarette lighter. I don't know what's called nowadays. And then that plugs in to the camera. So it also comes with these clips. And what these clips are for is they have a 3M adhesive on it, on one side, but then you can feed your wire through it, so that way it's better for cable management. Also, you get this tool. I believe this is to help push the cable into the cracks, to kind of help seal it into the cracks so that way it doesn't fall out. So it's got two different sides. It's got a thicker side and a thin side. And the last thing in the box, so we got the user manual and we got the Aukey sticker. You can stick wherever you want, wherever you feel like putting it. Comes with a 24-month product warranty, more adhesives for the mounts themselves. All right, so let me clean this up a little bit, then we'll check out the features of the camera. So let's go over to the camera a little bit before we install it. First, let me take this plastic off. I probably should have done that when I was cleaning up a little bit. All right, there we go. This lens is, of course, it records at 1080p, and it has a 140-degree field of view. The back is a 2.7-inch LCD screen to view the footage. But I don't believe it's touchscreen because of the buttons that come at the bottom. But we'll try it out. We'll see. Now what this does have is both emergency recording and loop recording. The emergency recording works by utilizing some sensors in the camera that detect sudden change in G-force, like an accident or a sudden stop. This footage is protected and will not be recorded over until the user decides to do so. Now, as far as loop recording goes, well, loop recording records in a loop. The camera records until the SD card is full, and then it'll record over the oldest footage until it fills up again, so on and so forth. It will continue to do that as long as it has power. Now, another nice feature that this camera has is it has the ability to work under extreme heat and cold weather. So here in California, it doesn't usually get too cold, but the summers are extremely dreadful. So as long as the inside of your car doesn't surpass the mercury of 167 degrees Fahrenheit, your dash cam should work very hard for you. Now, if you don't mind, I would like to install it and we'll go over the menu and I'll show some footage. Be right back inside the Flex. And I do apologize if the audio is not that great. Got our footage, the live stream. Oh, well, I guess guys, it's not a touchscreen, which I didn't think it was, but I tried it. It didn't work. Yeah, we'll keep it at 1080p, loop recording. I don't know, put it on maximum, I guess. Date stamp on record audio. Yeah, record the audio. Let's see what my wife is saying when I'm not around. Frequency. I heard 60 hertz is pretty good. I don't know if that's true or not, but accelerometer. We'll keep a middle sensitivity, language, English of course. Motion detection on. Format, yeah, let's format the disc. Don't know what was on it, but it's all gone now.
Goodbye.
All right, let's go back. Custer size wrong, format. I thought I just formatted. Okay, well let me figure this out, I'll be right back. Alright, so it looks like I finally got it to start recording. The SD card that I did have on stock wasn't working. But that's the display. Got January 6, 2019. It's 2:06 p.m. Unless that goes to 24 hours. I don't know. I still gotta, mess around with it a little bit, figure out some more of the settings, see what works and what doesn't work. But it is recording at 1080p full HD. Let me show you how I installed it. And then we'll take a look at the front and see if it's noticeable from the front side of the car. All right, so in my Ford Flex, I got a little cigarette lighter right there. I tied it down because the wire's longer than it needs to be. I moved it up and around. As you can see, that's kind of dark. The wire going up here on the side, I kind of tucked it in a little bit using the tool that was provided. And we'll just wait till that car passes by. So yeah, so like I said, I tucked it in a little bit using that tool that was provided as best as I could. I got it around and up through the top all the way till we get to right there, and then there it is. So let's check out the front. All right, I know it's a wet day, wet and cloudy day, but I can't barely see it there. Oh, there we go. So you really have to keep your eye on it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see it whatsoever. Very discreet, small, but let's see what the footage looks like. So there are a couple things I like and a couple things that I wish would be better. One of the things I like is that it has a screen, which makes it easier to actually see your footage rather than taking the SD card out and putting it on your computer or your phone or whatnot. So it's really nice to have that. Another feature would be it's fairly easy to set up. I mean, if you just plug it in, you hook the connection to the device, you put the suction cup or the permanent mount to the windshield and set it and forget it. And as long as the dash cam has power, you'll be recording. It's cool. Couple gripes that I have. Well, one, it doesn't have Wi-Fi. Now, that may not be a big deal to most, but it's so convenient to have Wi-Fi in these dash cams because it's easy to transfer the data from the dash cam to your cell phone. So basically, if you want that footage, you're gonna have to take the dash cam off the mount. You have to plug it into your computer via USB Mini B and then transfer the files to the computer that way. Another gripe, another issue I have with this would have to be that it does not have a backup battery.
What?
Now, I don't expect it to be tremendously long, the battery or anything like that. I don't expect it to last a day or anything, but it's just so nice to have that peace of mind in case your battery does die in your car, that for a little while, your dash cam will continue to record because of its backup battery. This doesn't. So basically you unplug it out of the cigarette lighter and in a few seconds the power will be off. But for $45, $40 with a discount, I mean, this is a pretty good deal. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the Aukey DRA1 dash cam, leave a comment below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.